Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an origami wallet. Now you can use this wallet if you come to Kidtropolis. You can store your kid card, your account card in that wallet. You can also use it to store money that you might be saving up for a particular purchase, or you can just put any kind of small special items inside the wallet. All you need to make your origami wallet is a piece of paper that is a perfect square. The larger the paper you have, the bigger your wallet. So this is an 8.5-inch square. It's nice if it's colored on one side and white on the other side, and I'll show you how to make it now.